To use a bank account instead of Venmo balance. Start by opening the Venmo app and navigating to the Settings or Menu section. From there, select the option to manage your payment methods. This will take you to a page where you can view and edit your linked payment methods, including your bank account and Venmo balance. Next, select the option to add or edit a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. You can find this information on a check or by contacting your bank directly. Once you have entered this information, Venmo will verify your account by making 2 small deposits into your account. After your bank account has been verified, you can set it as your default payment method. To do this, go back to the Payment Methods page and select the option to set your bank account as the default. This will ensure that any future transactions are deducted from your bank account instead of your Venmo balance. It is also important to note that using a bank account instead of Venmo balance can help you avoid any fees associated with transferring money out of your Venmo account. Additionally, it can provide an extra layer of security and protection against fraud, as your bank account is typically more secure than your Venmo account. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you keep your bank account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. You should also be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with using your bank account, as these can vary depending on your bank and account type. Overall, using a bank account instead of Venmo balance is a simple and convenient way to manage your transactions and avoid any potential fees or security risks. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits of using a bank account with Venmo and enjoy a more secure and efficient payment experience.